Welcome to Baltimore City, home of the Baltimore Ravens. Man, look, I grew up in this city right here, and I'm telling you, me and the X100VI, we are going to explore the town today, and we're going to take you along on a journey. We're going to go to Fells Point, we're going to go to the Inner Harbor, we're going to go everywhere. Just kind of hang out a little bit, shoot with the X100VI, and see what we get. This is an awesome town, a beautiful city, and I'm telling you right now, it's no place like home, and I feel good that I'm here right now. So let's check it out. Stay tuned for all what's to come. Let's go.
Whatever you touch, it'll focus on. Is that close?
X100. We shooting in still current right now. Everything is still current. You want that preset, download my recipes down below, and I got you. But that still current is, I'm telling you right now. So when you're shooting the X100VI, or if you're shooting any of the Fuji cameras, it gives you that film simulation. So it takes you back to the film days, which really is all what we want anyway. Every photo you see on Instagram or any of the hot spots, they always trying to make it look like film. And that's what these cameras do. How is it like to just flow and just to stay on a ship like this all the time? Like, what is it? How is it? Tell me the life of a sailor.
It's pretty crazy.
It's like, what do y'all get into like day to day? I know it's some stuff you can't talk about, but just like kind of some of the stuff.
Day to day, so we're on 3 different training cycles.
Okay.
So, depending on your division and
Yeah.
your mast, there's helm and lookout, there's engine room watch,
Okay.
auxiliary watch, and then there's celestial navigation and damage control training.
Wow,
so
man.
we work on that.
Yeah.
And then about twice a day when we're way offshore,
Yeah.
we'll do sail stations.
Okay,
So we'll
okay.
come down, set the sail, or
Yeah.
furl them, bring them back up, or haul on some line to get
Yeah.
things fixed, or tack, or whatever.
Man,
So,
that That is awesome, but it sounds like a lot of work.
Oh, yeah.
Appreciate y'all guys. Thanks for all what you do.
Of course.
Take it easy, guys.
Yeah, you too. Yeah, classic negative.
So let's see what else we got. We got glass morning right there. That's one of my other recipes. And we got neutral signal. You know that's one of my faves right there. So let's shoot neutral signal. Look at that. That neutral signal, man. And neutral signal is based on Reala Ace. So Reala Ace is like one of those newer recipes that Fuji came out with, and it's awesome. Especially when you got it dialed in like how I got it dialed in right here. I'm gonna get this ship right here, but what I'm gonna do is, you see this rope right here? This rope right here is gonna be my foreground. So as I shoot it, you're gonna see the rope in there, but we're gonna be focusing on the ship. Now, if this was nighttime, the shot would be better, but we're gonna get it right now. But if it was nighttime, the shot would be better because we would have that domino sugar sign over there lit up. But we'll be all right. Watch this. Don't forget we got that flip out screen too, where we can see everything on the screen right there. Actually, let's make that focus point a little smaller. There we go. That's being shot on neutral signal. It's hard to see it. So this is my camera person right here. My daughter Talia is hanging out with her pops today. And she getting all my behind the scenes action, man. Look her up on her YouTube channel, her Instagram channel rather, Talia Visuals. She's shooting with the Sony a7 III, so you know she killing it. But yeah, check her out on Instagram and follow her when you get a chance. But yeah, she doing all the behind the scenes on the Osmo Pocket 3. All of this is being filmed on the Osmo Pocket 3 today. So yeah, we killing it, and we downtown and just kind of just hanging out a little bit because they got all the ships here today. They're docked in Baltimore. We just kind of just down here hanging out and yeah, getting some shots. And if you want to know, I did go with the Nomadic Peter McKinnon bag today because that was one of the posts that I put up. Which bag am I going to go with today? And I wound up going with the Peter McKinnon Nomadic bag.
Cool, huh?
I think I'm cool a little bit, you know what I mean? I think I'm cool a little bit. But yeah, let's get back to some shooting. So my problem I'm having is the sensor. Every time you see that, every time any little thing with the sensor, if I'm trying to shoot from waist level, what's happening is the sensor is going out and it's making the screen black. So you can see it like right there, it's making the screen black. So just even if I turn it like that, the screen go black. I like to put my eye up to the viewfinder and shoot. So if I turn it completely off, then I lose that. If I turn off the other one, I lose the other one. So I just got to get the best of both worlds. Look at this ship, man. A fake lighthouse. Look at that right there. See that over there? That's the shot right there. Right between there, domino sugar sign. I wish it was nighttime, but that's okay. Maybe we'll hang out till nighttime. I don't know. Let's get that. You know I love this camera. And I mean, look how beautiful that thing is. And right now I got the filter on the front as well. See the highlights right there? See the highlights in the water? If we take the exposure down enough, we can get some of those highlights. I'm gonna show you that right now. See how every time we go down in the exposure, more of the highlights come out? I think you just made it go dark. Oh, there it is. So every time we go darker in the darker in the exposure, more highlights come out. The sky come out more, and as we go up, see our exposure compensation dial right there is at almost +1. So we're gonna take it down to almost -1. Boom, look at that. That's the shot right there. Oh, I got the 360 in here too. I need to have it on. Yeah, this the Pocket. Meta glasses. Clip for the cell phone if we needed to do that. A battery pack. Look at that, battery pack. That thing will charge everything. And we got extra batteries because, good look, my battery is dead. So I gotta change the batteries. But I did want to talk about batteries though, because these batteries right here by K&F Concept, these are freaking awesome. So I'm about to take the Fuji battery out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one of these K&F Concept batteries in. And what you get is you can charge the battery without even putting it in the camera and just plugging it up to a USB-C port. And it'll charge right up. So I'm going to change the batteries out real quick. Put the dead battery down here. Put the new battery in. And just like that, we ready. We ready. Ultimate behind the scenes rig right here. The Osmo 360. I can put this right on my hot shoe and get all the behind the scenes I want. Behind the scenes, here we come. Shooting in 6K, 24 frames. And it's getting you and me. Boom. Wow. It's getting us both. I think we might got to go back this way and then go around. You really got to be careful down here. Look at those reflections right there. See those reflections in the water? That would have been awesome to get that. Can I jump over that? Can I jump over there? Let me see if I can get it from here. But right behind me, you can see we got the beams from the World Trade Center right over here. Such a spectacle to look at, you know, like just to know that those beams right there came from the World Trade Center. Like that's freaking awesome that, you know, that it's like right there. People been walking by and touching it, and, you know, just to have that there, I mean, that's metal. Look how hot that metal got right there. Like, it's crazy how hot that metal got. Like the metal start bending, it got so hot. But hopefully we never had to worry about something like that in this country ever again. But yeah, we're standing in front of the World Trade Center here in Baltimore. And yeah, it is a great memorial and make you proud to be here in this country, you know? Wouldn't want to be nowhere else. We got some crazy stuff that we do here, but I wouldn't want to be nowhere else if I was to tell the truth. But yeah, they got some other stuff over there as well. They got some of the pillars from the Pentagon, a couple other things over there. But yeah, it's definitely a spectacle to look at. If you ever get a chance to visit Baltimore, make sure you check that out. here and spend a bunch of money on, look at this, look at this. Will somebody just look at this? I mean, that's just too much money. Like, come on. Whatever. I haven't put that one out there yet. That's the Velvet Black. It's for nighttime. Gives that awesome, awesome, rich, dark tone right there. You see it? Look at that. Boom. Velvet Black is what I call it. We got the manual focus ring connected to our digital zoom. So we put the picture up like that. We in 23, then we zoom in. Boom. That's 23. Then we zoom in. We at 50. We zoom again. We at 70. Just like that, man. Boom. See the highlights in that boat right there? Boom. Look at the sky. That's a stop and a half. And if I go down, bring more of the sky in there. It's a stop and a half. That's 2 stops. Boom. That's a stop and a half right there.